Okay, so as I was walking down to the bay to show you what was happening with the flooding, I will show you what's going on here on the streets, because there is already some flooding, and as you can see, it's lovely, breezy but not crazy weather. So let me show you this. You can see how deep it is. So it all just comes right up through these drains here, which is connected to the bay. So yeah, the flooding has begun. And as the evening goes on and the tide gets higher, because we're not at high tide yet, this is obviously going to get much, much worse. If I was them, I'd move my car. And that is why we spent 2 hours sealing up the garage yesterday, so that everything inside the garage doesn't get ruined. Because basically what happens is that the water gets sewage in it, and then everything gets covered in bacteria, and it all has to be thrown away and got rid of. And there's my dad on the deck. And all the furniture has been brought in. And there's the garage that we've sealed up. And my dad just said that high tide is at 6:30 tomorrow morning, so after the rain from 3 a.m. onwards, which is due to go on through till this time at 7 p.m. now, through to this time tomorrow. We'll see.